Hello friends, today I am going to discuss question answer of the chapter Care and Maintenance of Fabric in Institution. It is the chapter number 13 of Home Science book of class 12. First question, what are the two aspects of care and maintenance of fabric? Answer, two aspects of care and maintenance of fabric are as follows. First is keep the material free of physical damage, and if damage occur, then rectify it. Next is retain the appearance by removing stain and dirt. Next question, what are the factors that affect process of cleaning of fabric? Answer, factors are as follows. First is fiber content, next is yarn processing and yarn type, next is fabric construction, next is fabric finishes, next is purpose for which they are used. Next question, write a short note on hospital laundry. Answer, hospital laundry takes care of hygiene and cleanliness. Most of the articles are made up of cotton. Only blankets are made up of wool. Stubborn stains may be neglected. Ironing or pressing may not be done to perfection. Repairing, mending, and condemnation of unusable material may or may not be done. Next question, write a short note on commercial laundry. Answer, commercial laundry have different section and each section has specific function such as washing, drying, and pressing. These laundries have separate section for dry cleaning. Some laundries have separate section for dyeing and special finishing. Most of the laundries have system of code tag which helps to identify the article whom it belongs to. Commercial laundries have a system of keeping record in which customer is given an invoice in which kind and number of articles received and date of delivery is given. Next question, in which laundry ironing of clothing is not given much importance? Answer, hospital laundry. Next question, the machines which have single time setting of control are known as? Answer, fully automatic machine. Next question, pulsation is used in which type of washing machine? Answer, top loading washing machine. Next question, why are clothes ironed? Answer, to make the fabric smooth. Clothes are ironed. Next question, which method of washing is used in front loading machine? Answer, tumbling. Next question, which fabric is mostly used in hospital? Answer, cotton. Next question. How many type of equipments are required for care and maintenance of fabric? Answer. 3 type of equipments are required for care and maintenance of fabric, which are named as washing equipment, drying equipment, and pressing or ironing equipment. Next question. How many type of machines are there? Answer. There are 2 type of machines, which are named as top loading machine. In this machine, garments are put in it from top. Front loading machine. In this machine, garments are put in it from front. Next question. How many type of models of a machine are there? Answer. There are 3 type of models of a machine, which are named as manually operated machine. In these machines, more than half work is done manually. Semi-automatic machine. These machines require intervention of an operator at frequent interval. Filling of water and draining is done after each cycle. It has generally 2 tubs. Fully automatic machine. These machines have a single time setting of control for each use. In these machines, involvement of constant operator is not required. These machines require permanent electricity and constant water supply. Next question. What are different functions of a machine? Answer. Different functions of a machine are as follows. Agitation. Agitator has blades that rotate and produce current in tub, which forces water into fabric. Pulsation. Vertical pulsator moves in vertical direction, due to which clothes move in both direction. Tumbling. In it, washing takes place in horizontally placed perforated cylinder, which revolve in partially filled tub. Next question. How many type of drying equipment are there? Answer. There are 2 type of drying equipment. First, in which air flows at high velocity, having low temperature. Second, in which air flows at low velocity, having high temperature. Next question. How many type of drain system are there in the washing machine? Answer. There are 3 type of drain system in the washing machine. Spinning, bottom drain, and combination of both spinning and bottom drain.